I'd already shown this on Slack, so I'll keep this one quick, but it was something that I spent time on, so I want to take another minute to explain more than I had when I posted it on Slack. So this is the voice that I found that is almost exactly the same dimensions as the one that we're probably going to use potentially. I don't know. That's up to Team One to decide. And as you can see, all the area on the base here that's within the reachable work area, which is this box, is taken up. There's nowhere to put a tool probe. And the entire reason for having a automatic tool changer is because it's automatic, right? If we have to manually touch off tools with an automatic tool changer, it's no longer automatic. It's a manual halfway automatic tool changer. So this I talk about in the FMEA video that I made. Potential solution to this problem. That being said, the voice does definitely work in here with the ATC magazine in here as well. So that's the purpose of showing this video.